quick video about accessing the Office 365 drive called the OneDrive. And so this is actually going to look a lot like accessing the Google Drive, but this time we need to get to Office 365. So I'm going to search for Office 365. And the first thing that should come up is the Office 365 login. And let's see. I'm going to go ahead and sign in. So if I click sign in, it'll probably know me. Okay, well, it knew me a little too well. Let me try this on a different browser, just so you can see. So I'm going to go to office.com. Okay, so this browser doesn't know me as well. So at office.com, that's where you can get into your OneDrive. I'm going to click sign in. And now I'm going to log in again, just like I did for Google with my MSJC email and my password. And I'm just going to tell it to let me stay signed in. Great. Why not? So our Office 365 has online versions of all of these Office programs, which is great. And we can also share files with each other. And also these are actually, you know what these are? These are files that were attached to emails that I received. So what's nice is it does give you all the email attachments kind of in one place, if you like that. And you have to actually, so this was the top. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom, that's where you find the OneDrive. So you can see it's kind of hidden down here, but this is where the OneDrive is. I'm going to go to OneDrive. So here it is. And in the OneDrive, a lot like what we did in Google Drive, we're going to add a folder. So that's up here under new. And I'm going to call this one, just like I did last time, Lab 16 DNA fingerprinting pictures. And there it is. And pretty much just like we did on Google, I can add the files in here. So I'm going to go find, this is that same folder with all of those pictures that I did before. And I'm just going to drag them in. And just like last time, it's going to upload all of those pictures. So you can see that they've been uploaded here. And now, just like we did in Google, we want to share this folder. And so we can go back to our original place in the drive. This is sort of the top level of our OneDrive. And you can see we made this folder, we filled it with pictures, and now we can share it with other people. So that's what I'm going to do here, share. And here we have to specify who can get to it. And so once again, I recommend it's easier, especially if you're going to work with Lori, to use anyone with the link. That way she can get access as well. And then I'm just going to apply this. And when I apply it, now that it's got this information here, I can come down here and copy the link. So there, just kind of like what you saw in Google, is the link. And I can click this copy button to save it. And just like I did last time, I'll go ahead here and go back to that document. And so now I also have a lab 16 pictures in my OneDrive folder, right? And so I can share that with whoever I want. And again, I can put this link in an email and they should be able to get into it. One thing I should say is, you could put as much stuff as you want in one of these folders. So if you just wanted to put all of those pictures you've been scanning into one big folder, that would be a possibility. I really don't know which one's going to work better for you guys, Google or OneDrive. But now I think you kind of have a sense of how to use them both. Just to show you what the person on the other end will see for OneDrive, I'll go back over here to Firefox. I'm just going to paste that link in, click enter, and then this is what Lori Burnham, for instance, would see. She would see this when she clicks on that link. Oh shoot, looks like I'm logged in here. Let me sign out. Let's try this one more time just so you can see what it'll look like. Okay, so I'm almost signed out here. Just take 1 second and I'm signed off. So now when I put in the link, sorry this took a little bit longer, you can see that this is what Lori Burnham would see, right? And so she can download things. It looks like she can upload things. So it might be a good way to share this. Of the two, to me it seems like this one for sharing might be the easiest because you can kind of easily download and easily upload, even though it's not your OneDrive, right? So that's kind of a cool potential way to do it. All right, I'm gonna save this video and send it to you.